Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I decorated my front door for the fall for less than $50. So I first went over to Home Depot to find this 6-foot board because I wanted to make my own welcome sign, because everywhere I was going to, Hobby Lobby and Michael's, it was $30 and up, so I thought I would make my own. I also bought this Rust-Oleum paint. It's good for indoors and outdoors, and it's good for wood, metal, and much more, so I thought this would be perfect. At first I wanted to paint the sign this espresso brown, but then I changed my mind later on and changed it to black instead. Here I'm using some 12-inch letter stencils that I got from Michael's a long time ago. If I can find the link, I'll definitely add it in the description box. So it took me about 10 or 15 minutes to find the right placements for the letters. I didn't want them to be crooked, and also I had to make sure that all of the letters fit on the 6-foot board. So I kind of had to later overlap the letters to make sure that they all fit together. So to paint over the stencils, I had to use the same Rust-Oleum paint but in the white. And you guys know on this channel I show you the good, bad, and the ugly. So when I took the letters off, it looks like this, which was totally not what I was expecting. So I later went in with a sponge brush and I painted over the letters just to make them a little more cleaner. I thought it would be really cute to do a DIY with this pumpkin, so I'm just using some spray paint to act as a primer, and then for my second coat I'm using the actual color that I wanted, which is black. I looked everywhere for some white sticker numbers, but I couldn't find it, so I found these black numbers from Dollar Tree and I spray painted it with white. I thought it would be super cute to use this pumpkin to display your address, and I'm in love with it. So the sign is now done drying and I'm in love with it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Excuse how wet and nasty the outside looks. It's been raining all week, but I really wanted to get this video done for you guys. So I got this buffalo checker rug from Hobby Lobby during their fall 40% off sale, so I only paid $10 for it, and I know this rug is super popular. And the rug on top I got from Ikea. It was only $5.99. I thought it would be really cute to put this stack of hay in the front door, but I did not know it was this messy. I don't know if I should have kept the netting on there. I have no idea. Let me know. But this was only $7 at Home Depot, and I made a complete mess out of it. And here I'm just adding a few more pumpkins to give it some color, and I know that green pumpkin looks super weird. It kind of looks like squash, but it's actually called a specialty pumpkin, and I thought it was pretty cool. So guys, I'm all done and I love how it came out. I think it's very simplistic and didn't cost me a lot of money. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.